Which fruit will our dog try first?
Mango Madness!
Tap like and subscribe for more yummy fun.
Tiny grapes, big fun.
Now, banana time. Juicy watermelon, yum!